In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks to a project in Wrike. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Wrike, you'll be able to follow along easily and start organizing your work right away. First, open Wrike and head to the project or folder where you manage your campaigns. In this example, we're going into a space called Campaign Management, but in your account, it might have a different name, like Marketing Projects or Client Work. The key idea is, make sure you're inside the correct space and project where you actually want the new task to live. This helps keep everything organized and prevents tasks from ending up in the wrong place. Once you're in the right project view, look toward the main area of the screen where your items are listed. You'll see a highlighted control or button that lets you create a new item. This is often labeled something like Add or appears as a plus icon next to your project name or at the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area to start creating something new in your project. After clicking, Wrike will ask what kind of item you want to create. You might see options like Item, Task, Project, or other types depending on your setup. For our purposes, you want to choose the general item option first if that's what appears. This is just Wrike's way of opening up the menu so you can be more specific about what you want to add. Next, from the available options, select Task. This is important because projects and other item types behave differently. Tasks are what you'll use for specific pieces of work, like write email copy or design banner image. So, click on Task to tell Wrike that you're adding a new task to this project. Wrike will then create a new task entry for you, usually appearing either in a list or a table. Click on the New Task field so you can start editing it. This is where you'll give your task a clear and meaningful name. That name is what your teammates will see, so make it descriptive enough that anyone can understand what needs to be done at a glance. Now type in the task name in the highlighted field. For example, you might type something like Prepare Campaign Brief or Set up Tracking Links. Once you've typed your title, you can press Enter or click away to save it. Your new task is now added to your project in Wrike and ready for you to assign, schedule, and add more details as needed.